Hi, I'm Subira. I'm going to present our project Mapping Inequality, Income and Housing Affordability Across the US. So today, incoming and house across the US, affordability is a growing concern and reflects a deep economic disparities across regions in America. So affordable housing has become a major social issue. With inequality rising, it's important to understand now how regional differences impact people's ability to secure housing. So, our aim was to use household income data and develop visual dashboards that highlight these inequalities. So, we focused on analyzing thousands of US zip codes, studying income distribution and affordability patterns using feature engineering and clustering analysis. So, our main goal was to uncover hidden insights that traditional studies often miss. Python and Tableau were the main tools used to create interactive, easy to understand visualization for stakeholders like policymakers and real estate professionals and researchers. Here, our work is inspired by studies from the Pew Research Center and data from the US Census Bureau, which emphasize growing urban rural divides and affordability challenges. We are using real world data sets. We aim to move beyond basic statistics and instead find deeper patterns. So, coming to our data set, our data Coming to our data set, we use it. The project is relied on database information from the US household income dataset, and we take dataset from the Kaggle. And the zip code level, the dataset presents income information with elements like include state code and the zip code and mean income together with median income and area of the land, water, and latitude, and also longitude coordinates. The data contains more than 32,000 records that enable comprehensive geographical analysis and demographic evolution. The data preparation involved dropping records containing value errors or missing data in points, particularly which means median income levels where zero and positive or negative. And also we use tools like data exploration and visualization. The data investigation alongside clustering operations and visualization tasks were carried and through diverse tools. The tools are like Python. In Python we use dash, Portly, and pandas and pandas. The data preparation process and pandas library combined with Portly and dash. We use the dash bootstrap components to develop interactive dashboards for data visualization purposes. And coming to tasks, the development for multiple Tableau sheets led to the creation of an extensive story dashboard, which allowed users to perform interactive visualizations at various levels. So my friend Saishika will continue the next.
Yeah, I'll go ahead. Shishika, can you share the visualization tablet tool? I'm not able to see the tablet tool. I'm still seeing the Word document. Yeah. So these are some of the visualizations that we have taken. And so for the first visualization, what we did is, so we have added the state name as a filter, and in the columns we have added the average median household income and the state name in the rows, so that it will filter out all the states and the average income that that state has. So here we have only displayed top 10. If you unselect some of the states and reselect it, if you select, for example, if you deselect the Utah, it will be it will be going from there, and you can only see the rest of this data. And can you go to the next visual, please? Yeah, this is another visual, the map visual, where we have again used the city, zip, country as a uh, as the filter, and longitude and latitude for the display of the map. And here we have added for the colors the mean household income, and also the label, and the text you see is the city. The next visual, please. Yeah. So here it is also a similar kind of a visualization where we show the mean and median household income. So the red marks towards more towards the Mexico, and it's towards the New Jersey. So it depends. It is carried across the US state. Yeah. The next visual, please. Yeah, this another visual where we have showed the stacked bar graph. Here we have used state name as the columns, and the rows for the measure for the rows we have used the measure values. Here you can see the yellow color part. The yellow colored area is the area water, and the green color is the area land. It summarizes the states that has which how much of the area inland, and how much it has area in water. Can we go to next visual? Yeah, this is the heat map where we have again showed the Delta Junction and Houston, some of the cities where they have average medium house income, and in the filters we have used the zip code and the city for the differentiation. Yeah, the next visual. This another map where we have number of house. So in this map you can see the number of households it has. So it's the same thing where here also we are using the state and zip code and the country where and it has this. Once you click on if you click on this, yeah, the number of households it has in the particular state or the city. Yeah, the next visualization, please. Yeah, here we have drawn a graph between the water and the land area correlation, where the area land is in columns and the area water is in the rows, and you can see the label is added as mean household income. Yeah, the next visualization, please. Here is it is one of the bar graph, so where you can see the zip code. Can you over on this, Shrishika? Yeah, here you can see the affordability score, how much that particular zip code can afford the house. The next visualization, please. I think we are on to the dashboard. My teammate Shrishika will explain that. Thank you.
Hello, myself Shreshka. So I'm gonna explain about the dashboard. You could see the dashboard of different visualizations. So if we click on the delta junction, you could see the related data across different visualizations. As you could see in the geographic map of mean household income, mean versus median household income. So you could see the related data of these visualizations. So now I'm going to explain. This is our interactive dashboard. Now I'm going to see about the our Python code. So here we imported the essential libraries, and so one second. I'm just sharing the screen. So you could see this is a Python code. So we have imported the important libraries like pandas for data manipulation, NumPy, skitlearn standard scalar, and k-means for machine learning. So and we have loaded the household data, US household income data set from the Kaggle, ensuring smooth reading so that and the first major step was data cleaning, and where we created a copy of the data set and replaced any zero or non-negative negative values in mean and medium income with a NaN, and dropped the rows containing these missing values to ensure the data quality. So after cleaning, we have what we have done is we have introduced new calculated columns. So we created an income skew features. So by subtracting the median income from the mean income to measure the inequality. So the calculated the total area by adding the land and water areas. So you could see in the data cleaning and the feature engineering. And next we have done is the k-means clustering. So we have used the standard scaler to normalize them so that the k-means cluster would treat all the features equally. Using k-means with the four clusters, we group the zip codes so that the showed similar economic and affordability characteristics, helping us visualize the patterns of inequality across the country. So finally, for the visualization, we use the so you could see the visualizations. And so we have used the Plotly to create the interactive plots, starting with an income skew histogram that showed the distribution of the difference between the mean and medium incomes, and mean versus median. So this revealed that in most of the regions, the mean income was much higher. That means the median indicating the widespread and income inequality. So overall, the code systematically moved from the data cleaning to the feature enrichments, clustering, and the interactive visualization. So it's allowing us to explore and reveal the patterns. Now I'm gonna show the web page.
కనిపించట్లేదు నా మొత్తం స్క్రీన్ షాట్.
So you could see the dashboard. So we are selecting the state which we want, like any other state. So and the clusters. So according to the cluster, it's gonna change. So you can see. So this is a project, and based on the income and the household affordability across the, it's showing us the house income and the household affordability of different states. So this is a dashboard. So that's it. So we are the team members, and our project is this. Thank you.